Hello viewers, hope all of you are doing well. Today I want to discuss a new topic, estimation and costing in civil engineering construction industry. Viewers, this topic is very important in civil engineering construction industry. Every civil engineer should know knowledge about the costing and estimation. This is very important. MCQ, multiple choice question, frequently asked in exam interview questions. I'm sure 100% if we all this knowing knowledge about these questions, I'm 100% sure to pass the interview question and will get the 100% job guaranteed. Let's start one by one. Guys, the first question is the rate of the payment made for the 100 cubic meter in percentage the cubic meter in case of these are the four options, and also these are the correct answer is also marked as a, I will see one by one. Earthwork in excavation, rock cutting, excavation in the trench for foundation. D, all of the above. The right answer is the all, A, B, C, all options. Question number 2, the rate of an item of work depends on. The rate of an item of work depends on specification of the work, specification of materials, the proportion of the mortars. Guys, this is a very logic question. This is the right answer is all of the above, A, B, C, all of these are the correct. Third question, the main factors to be considered while preparing a detailed estimation is quantity of materials, availability of materials, transportation of material. These all this question is also a very logic questions, a very simple question. The question is asked main factors to be considered while preparing the detailed estimation. Estimation is the two types. One is the rough estimation and the second type is the detailed estimation. We consider anything in these types of detailed estimation. The right answer is the A, B, C, all of the above, guys. Fourth number, pick up the correct statement for the following. The estimated value for the work excluding the amount of the contingency work changed established tools and plans is called as value. B, the actual expenditure involved to complete a work including incidental establishment and traveling charges is called as the actual cost. The formal acceptance by the administrative department for the incurring an expenditure on the work is called as administrative approval. Guys, the right answer is the all of the above. A, B, C option, all of the above is the correct statement. Brick wall are measured in square meter if the thickness of the wall is 10 centimeter. Guys, unit of measurement for the brickwork is if it is above, the thickness is above 10 centimeter, it will be a cube in cubic meter. But if the thickness is up to 10 centimeter, we will use the unit of measurement for the brick wall is square meter. This is very important questions. This is frequently asked in exam and the interview question. Brick wall are measured in a square meter if the thickness of the wall is 10 centimeter only. If it is 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter, then it is the cubic meter. The right answer is 10 centimeter, A option. The plinth area of a building is building not includes the plinth area of the building not includes area of the walls and the floor level. This is correct. Internal shaft for the sanitary installation up to the 2 square meter in the area. Lifts and wall including the landing. Area of the cantilevered porch. Option D is the correct. D option is the correct answer. Area of the cantilevered porch. See, plinth level above the foundation, we call it as the area above the foundation level is called as the above the foundation or footing level is called as the plinth area. The plinth area of a building not include. These all three is included in the plinth level, but this is not included. Area of the cantilevered porch, guys. This is not included, but above 3 is included. Question number 7. If the formation level of the highway has a uniform gradient for a particular length and the ground is also having a longitudinal slope, the earthwork may also be calculated by mid section formula, trapezoidal formula, the pyramidal formula. These three formula is used in the highway uniform gradient for the calculation of the highway. This all three is used in the calculation of highway. Question number 8. While estimating a reinforced cement structure or RCC structure, the omitted cover of concrete is assumed as. Concrete cover is assumed as. C. Option A is at the end of reinforcement bar not less than 25 millimeter or twice the diameter of the bar. This is correct answer, guys. In thin slab, if the thickness of slab is 10, 12 mm minimum or diameter of the bar, whichever is more. This is also correct. C option for the reinforcing longitudinal bar in a beam 25 millimeter minimum or diameter of the largest bar, which is more. All of the above, all three above options are the correct. Question number 9. A cement concrete road is 1000 meter long, it's meter wide and 15 centimeter thick over the sub base of the 10 centimeter thick gravel. The box cutting in the road cutting is option C is 15 cubic meter. 15 cubic meter, guys. While estimating the qualities for the construction of the building, the correct metric unit is liter for the capacity, meter for the length, cubic meter for area. This is the wrong answer. Cubic meter for area. Area is square meter. Meter for the length and square meter for the volume. No. Correct answer is while estimating the qualities for the construction of the building, the correct metric unit is liter for the capacity. D is the right answer. Pick up the correct statement for the following. In order to check up the average depth of an excavation, the months are left at the mid widths of barrows pits. B option. The earthwork calculation in the excavation is made from the difference in the level obtained with a level. C option is the earthwork in excavation to form the root embankment includes the formation of correct profile and depositing the soil in the layers. The correct statement is all of the above. A, B, C, all are the correct. The brickwork is not measured in cubic meter in case of half brick wall. Guys, half brick wall means 10 centimeter. If the this is a repeated question. If the thickness of wall is 10 centimeter, then the unit of measurement for the brick wall is square meter, not a cubic meter. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Lead is average horizontal straight distance between the borrow pit and the place for separating soil. This is correct. The lead is calculated for the each block of the excavation area. C is the unit of the lead is 15 meter for the distance of up to 500 meter. The unit of the lead is 1 kilometer where the lead exceed 2 kilometer. This option D is the answer. Here is incorrect statement. A, B, C is correct statement, but D is the incorrect. But this is the answer which is asked in this question, guys. The assumption on which the trapezoidal formula for the volume is based is the end section or parallel planes. The mid area of the pyramid is half the average area of the end. The volume of the pyramidal is over the estimated, and hence a pyramidal correction is applied. All of the above is the correct answer. The answer is the all of the above. A, B, C option is the correct. In the mid section formula, the mean depth is average of the depth for the two consecutive section is correct. The area of the midsection is calculated by using the mean depth. The volume of the earthwork is calculated by multiplying the midsection area of the distance between the two original section. D is correct. A, B, C, all the option is correct. All of the above. Pick up the correct statement for the following. The earthwork of the cutting trenches for the borrow pits in the fairly uniform ground is measured with the help of the average depth of the dead man. This is correct. The earthwork is in the trench or borrow pits in the irregular ground is measured by the taking of difference in the level before and after the completion of work. This is also correct, guys. The earthwork is in trench or the borrow pits where the neither or nor the B is feasible or measured from the filling after the deduction of the voids. This is also correct, guys. The right answer is all of the above. The cross section for the highway is taken at right angle to the center line. This is, guys, correct. 30 meter apart. This is correct. Intermediate point having abrupt change in the gradient. This is also correct, guys. The right answer is all of the above. A, B, C option is the right answer. Referring of the given figure, pick up the correct statement from the following. Correct statement from the following. The total length of the center line for the four wall is 20 cm. This is right answer. Length of the long wall out is 6.08 meter. This is correct. Length of the short wall in 3.2 meter. This is correct. Right answer is D, all of the above. Pick up the correct statement regarding the center line method for the estimation of the building. Product of the center line for the wall and the area of the cross section of the any item gives total quantity of the item. This is correct. The center line is worked out separately from different section of the wall for a building. This is correct, guys. The center line length is reduced by the half the layer of the main wall joining the partition wall. This is also correct, guys. All of the above is the correct. According to the Indian Standard Institute, the actual size of the modular brick is, guys, 23 11.5 7.5 centimeter. This is not the right. 25 13 7.5 centimeter. This is also not the standard size. 19 9 centimeter to 9 centimeter. This is the correct answer, guys. 20 centimeter 10. This is not, guys. The right answer is 19 centimeter into 9 centimeter into 9 centimeter. This is the dimension of the brick, guys. Length, width, height. The following item of the earthwork is not measured separately: as setting out works, right? Site clearance, right? Step in depth excavation. This is also right. All of the above. Yes, all the three options is the correct answer. The measurement is made in a square meter in case of cement concrete in foundation. No, this is wrong. RCC structure. No. Hollow concrete block. No. D, none of the above. Right, this is the right answer is none of the above. All these three is wrong, and the option is none of the above. In area of the cross section of the road fully in banking shown in the given figure is SB square plus R square 2BD plus SD square is divide by R square minus S square. This is the right answer, guys. A. Cost of fitting and gear fixing is specified for the following sanitary fittings. Right answer is the all of the above: water closet, flushing pipes, lavatory basin, and these all of the above. Thus, this is a very simple and the logic question. This is simple also. The excavation exceeding 1.5 meter in width and 10 square meter in plan area for the depth not exceeding 30 centimeter and that determined as a surface excavation, guys. Surface excavation is the right answer. For the construction of the building, the subhead of the estimate or earthwork, concrete, brick wall. Yes, this is the very logic and simple question, guys. This is the right answer. Brick wall, stonework, roofing. Right, this is also right. Brick flooring, wood work, steel work. Right answer. All of the above, guys. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Pointing is measured in square meter. Right, the right, sir. Right answer. Plastering is measured in square meter. This is also simple and a logic question. Then a very important question, guys. Glazing is measured in square meter. All of the above. A, B, C is the correct. Cross section of the road, partly in banking and partially in cutting, is shown in the figure. The area of the shaded portion is B minus RD square divided by R minus S. The right answer. Pick up the correct answer from following. If the bed level is above the NCL, the canal is called fully in the banking and the beams are designed as a 3D where D is the full supply depth of the water, FSD. Area of the canal is cutting equal to BD plus SD square, where B is the bed width and D is the depth of cutting and S is the side slope. This is correct. If FSL is above the NSL, the canal is called partly in cutting and partially in filling, and the berm are designed as a 2D where D is the full supply depth. Guys, our right answer is all of the above. Pick up the incorrect statement from the following. Pick up the incorrect statement. No deduction is made for the volume occupied by the reinforcement. B. No deduction is made for the opening up to the 0.1 square meter. This A and B is correct. No deduction is made for volume occupied by the pipe not exceeding 100 square meter in cross section. These are the correct, but this is incorrect. Then question is ask incorrect statement. All of above three option is correct, but this is these none of the above. The question is asked incorrect. These are correct, but incorrect is none of the above. The right answer is D option, none of the above. The value of B for the Indian type of WC shown the figure is 25 centimeter. C. Value of B of Indian type WC water closet shown in the given figure is A option is 45 centimeter, guys. Pick up the excavation where the measurement are made in the square meters for the payment. Ordinary cutting is up to the 1 meter. No, this is not correct. A square dressing up to the 15 centimeter depth. This is correct, guys. Surface excavation up to the 30 centimeter depth. This is incorrect, guys. B and C is the right answer. B and C is the right answer for this question. As per Indian standard specification, the peak discharge for the domestic purpose per capita per minute is taken as 1.8 liter for 5 to 10 user, 1.2 liter for 15 users, 1.35 for 20 user. All of the above is correct, guys. The answer. In long and short wall method of estimation, the length of long wall is center to the center distance between the wall and the half breadth of the wall in one side. This is the right answer, guys. The expected outturn of the cement concrete is 1:4. This is the ratio of the concrete per mason per day is 5 cubic meter. 5 cubic meter is the right answer. The volume of the C for the Indian type WC shown in the figure is 500 millimeter. Right answer. The area is measured correctly from the nearest 0.01 square meter. The measurement is not made in the square meter in case of RCC Shajja. RCC Shajja. Measurement is not made in a square meter in case of Shajja, but for the above DPC, the proof course, it is measured in a square meter. For formwork also measured in the square meter, concrete also, and the RCC Shajja is not in a square meter. This is the right answer, RCC Shajja, the option. The value of A for Indian WC shown in the figure is 30 centimeter. The trap which is provided for the disconnect the house drain from the street sewer is called as master trap, right? Intercepting trap, right answer. Interception manhole. Yes, all of the above three option is the correct. Due to change in the price level, the revised estimate is prepared if the sanctioned estimation exceeds 5%. D is the right answer, guys. The cost of the earthwork in the excavation for the surface drain of cross section shown in the given figure for the total length of 5 meter is Rs 45% cubic meter. The right answer is 450, guys. The expected outturn of the 2.5 centimeter cement concrete floor per the mason per day. Mason per day is 7.5 square meter. Right answer. Pick up the correct statement for the following. The bent up bars or the support resist the negative bending moment. B is the bent up bars or support the resist shearing. For the C option is the bent up of the bars nearest support is generally 45 degree. The right answer is all of the above. A option, B option, 3 option is the right answer. Question number 45. While preparing the detail estimation, dimension should be measured correct to 0.01 meter. This is right answer. Area should be measured correct to 0.01 square meter. This is the least count. We should very precisely consider all the parameters. Volume should be measured correct to 0.01 cubic meter. All of the above factors should be considered in detail estimation. Right answer is all of the above, guys. The item of the brick structure measured in a square meter. Broken glass coping in a square meter, guys. The right answer. The most reliable estimation is detailed estimation, guys. As I told earlier, two types of estimation. One is the rough estimation and the second type is the detailed estimation. A option is correct. According to ISI method of the measurement, the order of the sequence is length, breadth, height. This is the dimension, guys. Length, breadth, height. Right answer. Guys, the next question is anti-siphonage pipe is connected to top of the P trap in WC. This is the right answer. Next question is pick up the correct statement from the following. Break or paid per 1,000. Yes, this is the right answer. We take the brick, purchase the brick as per the 1,000 pieces of the brick. The rate is as per 1,000 pieces of the brick, and it's different in different countries. Cement is paid per 50 kg bag. Yes, the cement, one bag of cement is 50 kg. We purchased the cement in 50 kg, what's called as a one bag. Lime is paid per quintal. Lime is paid per quintal. Yes, this is correct. All of the above is the right answer. Pick up the correct answer from the following. All of the answer is correct. Guys, some of the question is not important, but I will link up the description in this video, all of this file, PDF file. I will link it in the description. Don't worry, you will not miss anything. Just I will do, because of the number of questions is too much and the video also is going too long, I just want to skip some question, but I will discuss the most important question in this MCQs. Guys, the concrete work for the following part of the building of the specified thickness is measured in a square meter. A square meter root slab is a square meter, the unit of measurement for this. Floor is also in a square meter. The wall panels also a square meter. The all of the above is the right answer. Expected outturn of the 12 plastering with the cement mortar is 8 square meter. Total length of the cranked bar through the distance of D at the 45. In case of the beam, effective length is L plus 2 times of 0.4 square D. Right answer. The measurement made for the stonework in the square meter in case of wall facing, column line, lintel coping, building work. The right answer is A and D. Wall facing square meter for the stonework, and D A and D of the above. Wall facing, the right answer. Carpet area does not include the area of a wall along with the door and other opening. This is very important and most frequent asked in the exam and the interview questions. Right, A is right. Bath room and lavatory, this is also right. Kitchen and pantry, this is also correct. All of the above. We'll skip some question while discuss the most important question. We'll link this PDF file in the description of this video. Don't worry, guys. In case of laying the gullies, siphon, intercepting traps, the cost includes all of the above: connection to the drain, bed, concreting, setting, and laying. This is some question related to plumbing. Next question: the centerline method is especially adopted for the estimation of the circular building, hexagonal building, octagonal building, all of the above, guys. Important question. A unit of measurement is per quintal for the following: MS reinforcement of the RCC structure. MS reinforcement of the RCC structure, the unit of measurement is quintal, guys. The diameter of the domestic sewer pipe laid at the gradient 1 into 100, recommended 150 millimeter the gradient should provide, guys. The order of booking the dimension is length, breadth, height. This is most important question, guys. Next question: the period in a septic tank is assumed as 30 minutes. The period for the septic tank is assumed 30 minutes. Next question, we'll see. Pick up the item of the work not included in the plinth area estimation: wall thickness, room area, WC area, courtyard area. This is the right answer. Courtyard area is not included in the plinth estimation. We do not consider this courtyard area in the plinth estimation. The minimum width of the septic tank is taken as 75 centimeter. The minimum width of septic tank is 75 centimeter, guys. Pick up the item which whose weight is added to the weight of the respective item. All of the above: bolts, breakers, cleats, these all of the above. Expected outturn of the earthwork is excavation in ordinary soil per working per day is 3 cubic meter. Right answer. Expected outturn of the brickwork in cement mortar in the foundation and plinth per mason per day is right answer is B 1.25 cubic meter. Right answer. The brickwork is measured in square meter in case of uh, honeycomb brickwork. Unit of measurement for this work is square meter. Brick flat soling, unit of measurement is square meter. Half brickwork for the partition. Guys, the simple word we can say this, if the words of brickwork is 10 centimeter or less, we can use the unit of brickwork square meter. If it is above 10 centimeter, we call it as a cubic meter. The height of sink of wash basin above the floor level is kept as 75 to 80 centimeters. Guys, this is the most important question. The height of sink wash basin above the floor level is kept as the 75 to 80 centimeter. We cannot take 60, we cannot go above 80 centimeter because that is not comfortable for person to person. But this is the standard size. We can keep the height of the sink wash basin. 12 mm thick cement plastering ratio is 1 to 6 on 100 square meter. New brickwork quality of cement required is, quantity of the cement required is 0.74 cubic meter. The item of the steel work for the which measured square is option D is correct. Collapsible gates, rolling shuttering, ventilators and glazing. The right answer is all of the above. The proof course or DPC is measured in a square meter, cubic meter, meters. B is the correct, square meter. The DPC layer for the building is measured in square meter, not in cubic meter. The right answer is square meter, B option. The volume is measured correctly, the nearest to a 0.01 cubic meter. 88, question number 88. 14 kilogram per square meter and the bond stress is 6 kilograms. If the tensile stress steel rod diameter required bond length is of the rod is 5090. Guys, and this question for 100 square meter cement concrete 1:4 ratio, 4 cm thick floor. The quantity of cement required is 0.94 cubic meter. Size, capacity and material need for the specified for babcock, stopcocks, bulk walls, all of the above. Expected outturn of the half brick partition walls per mason per day is 2 meter cube. The floor area includes the area of the balcony up to 50%. The slope of the outlet pipe P-trap below the horizontal is kept as 14 degrees. We keep. The weight of an item is measured correctly to the nearest of the 1 kg. The right answer. Beams are provided in canal if these are partly in excavation and partly in embankment. This is the right answer. Guys, this was the question for the interview question in civil engineering. This was a very important parts in civil engineering. Every engineer should know, and I'm sure if all of us knowing this question familiar with us, and then we can pass the interview question 100% guarantee job. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, like and share comments for more updates. Thank you guys.